Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Bakar. Today I am going to give presentation on the topic of relative volatility. First of all, we want to know what is relative volatility. When we have mixture of two liquids like water or ethanol, ethanol can evaporate earlier than the water because it has less boiling point and it is more volatile. So relative volatility is a measure that helps us to compare how easily one component in a mixture turns into vapors as compared to the other. It is an important concept used in separation techniques like in distillation. In this regard, here alpha is equal to vapor pressure of more volatile compound divided by vapor pressure of less volatile compound. Alpha is equal to P naught of ethanol divided by P naught of water. And here we denoted P naught of ethanol is by P naught of A and P naught of water by P naught of B. P naught is the vapor pressure of pure component. As by Rolle's law, we know that PA is equal to P naught V and XA and PB is equal to P naught B multiplied by XB. Here PA is the vapor pressure or partial pressure of liquid A and PB is the partial pressure of liquid B, and XA and XB are the mole fractions in the liquid phase. By solving it for P naught A and P naught B, we get PA is equal to PA over XA and P naught B is equal to PB divided by XB. By putting these values in above formula, we get alpha is equal to PA divided by PB multiplied by XB divided by XA. Xa is the mole fraction in the liquid phase and Y is the mole fraction in the gas phase. So by Dalton's law, partial pressure of liquid A is equal to total pressure multiplied by its mole fraction in the vapor phase. So by putting these in our formula, we get alpha is equal to YXB divided by YB over XA. As we know that mole fraction of liquid A plus mole fraction of liquid B is equal to 1, and this is same for in vapor phase and liquid phase. So by solving it for YB and XB, we get YB is equal to 1 minus YB and XB is equal to 1 minus XA. So by putting these values in above formula, we get, and simplifying it, we get Y is equal to alpha XA 1 minus XA plus alpha XA. This is the simplified form that from which we find the mole fraction in the vapor phase, and we can also solve it for the XA. If we put alpha is equal to 1, which means its relative volatility is 1, at this volatility of liquid A is equal to volatility of liquid B, and there is no distillation can be done at this. So we call this as azeotropic and the solution is ideal. So we have different various forms of relative volatility equations. First of all, we get alpha is equal to P naught of A divided by P naught of B, where P naught is the vapor pressure of pure component, and second alpha is equal to Y over XB and YB over XA. Here these are the mole fractions, the liquid fluid and the vapor phase. In the third, we get the mole fraction of liquid in vapor phase. In the fourth, we get mole fraction in the liquid phase. Similarly, we get mole fraction of liquid B in the vapor phase, and we get mole fraction of liquid B in the liquid phase. By using these formulas, we get different values of Y, XA, YB and XB. The numericals of this topic can be presented by Sayyid Ali Murtaza Cheraji. So this is all from my side. Thank you so much.